Ever wonder why you feel hungry an hour after breakfast? It's not you, it's what you're eating. Today I'm sharing 7 easy healthy breakfasts that'll keep you full, energized, and help you shed those extra pounds without ever feeling like you're on a diet. Let's dive in. Hey, this is Healthy Codes, and on this channel, we make healthy living simple, fun, and totally doable. If you're ready to lose weight without starving yourself, hit that subscribe button, because today's breakfasts are about to change your mornings forever. Breakfast idea number 1: Greek yogurt with berries and honey. Picture this: you wake up, grab a creamy bowl of Greek yogurt, toss in some juicy berries, drizzle a little honey. It's like starting your day with dessert, but one that actually helps you burn fat. Breakfast idea number 2: avocado toast with egg. Craving something savory? Smash half an avocado on a crunchy slice of whole grain toast, top it with a warm soft boiled egg, sprinkle a little salt, and boom, healthy fats plus protein equals no more mid-morning crashes. Breakfast idea number 3: overnight oats. Busy mornings? No problem. Throw oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a splash of vanilla into a jar the night before. Wake up to a ready-made breakfast that's sweet, satisfying, and designed to boost your metabolism. Breakfast idea number 4: smoothie bowl. Imagine eating a giant bowl of colorful, icy goodness that feels like a treat but fuels your body like a champion. Blend spinach, frozen banana, and protein powder, then top it with coconut flakes and berries. You'll wonder why you ever skipped breakfast. Breakfast idea number 5: cottage cheese with pineapple. Need something fast and refreshing? Scoop up some cottage cheese, add juicy pineapple chunks, and you've got a light, high-protein breakfast that'll keep cravings far, far away. Breakfast idea number 6: veggie omelet. Nothing beats a hearty, colorful veggie omelet. Think tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, sizzling in a pan, protein-packed, fiber-filled, and seriously satisfying. Breakfast idea number 7: peanut butter banana wrap. On the go, grab a whole wheat wrap, smear it with natural peanut butter, lay down some banana slices, roll it up, and you're out the door in minutes, full and energized. So, which one are you craving right now? Drop your favorite breakfast idea down in the comments. I love hearing what you're trying, and if you want more healthy recipes and real-life tips that actually fit into your busy life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating smart. You've got this, and I'm right here with you.